Cameron, what you got? Do you got some crackers? Do you have some crackers? Yeah? Yeah? Are you going to eat it? You already ate a couple. What you think? You want another one? Come here. Here. Chew it up. Good boy. Is it good? Is it good? Huh? Yeah? You gonna drink some milk now? Well, dump it in the floor again. There you go. You gonna drink some milk? Eat some crackers? Yeah? You want another one? Here you go. Here you go. Is it good? What you think? Is it good? What you think of them crackers? You gonna eat some more? Drink your milk? Chris, look at him. You gonna drink your milk? You gonna drink your milk now? Drink your milk. You holding it wrong, doofus. Hold it like this. You know how to hold it. There you go. There you go. So that was your first time with real food. What do you think? I don't think you like it. I don't think you like it. Let's have one more. One more, then we turn him off. Chew it up. Chew it up. Yum, yum.